Cloves is such a great thing to have, a reason it is described as a precious spice. Cloves possess antioxidant, anti-fungal, antiviral, anti-microbial, anti-diabetic, anti-inflammatory, antithrombotic, anesthetic, pain-relieving, and insect repellent properties. All of these compounds present in cloves are powered by eugenol. Indeed, studies found that eugenol is the main property responsible for the medicinal power of the clove pod. Also, a study says clove is effective in the treatment of E. coli. Eugenol also has therapeutic effectiveness against Candida albicans, which is a common cause of yeast infection in the vagina. Since cloves have all these amazing properties that are active against bacteria and fungi, can a woman use it to treat vaginal infections? The answer is yes. Really, a woman can use cloves for the treatment of vaginal infection and get results. All you do is get some cloves, about 200 grams, wash them with clean water and add them in a glass bottle. Add a glass of clean water in the bottle and keep it closed for a few days. Once the water turns brown, your cloves water is ready for use. Get a clean bowl and sterilize with warm water and salt to ensure it is free of bacteria. Take 5 ml of cloves water and add in the small clean bowl. Add half cup of water and wash your vagina with that water in the morning and at night. Women who have used this natural remedy for infection have reported amazing results.